What if your WhatsApp could sell for you, support your customer, take follow-up from your lead, and take payment from them? All of this on autopilot without you even touching the phone. That's not a one tool doing all of these things. That's a full platform. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact platform which can do all of this thing. I'll be giving you walkthrough through each and every features. No setup, no code, so that you can see what your business could be running on. So hi everyone, my name is Lakshit and I left my job to start my own AI automation agency called as Nurik AI and a WhatsApp automation platform called as ChatSyncs, where we help businesses to adapt AI and automation. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So before seeing the platform, let me answer most common question I get from the businesses. The businesses says that there are so many tools available for WhatsApp, but we are non-technical and the WhatsApp requires some technicality, business verification, the API, so many things, but we do not know anything. And most of the platform does not provide any kind of a support. That's the reason we are not adapting to WhatsApp. I heard you. I understand that this is the main problem you guys are facing. That's the reason this is the first look of my platform called as ChatSyncs. And the first feature which I'd like to show you is called as book support call. So inside this, not one, not two, three type of different support call we are giving you. It's called as quick support, standard support, and the deep dive support. And all of this is free and included in your paid plan. So if you're having any small question, you can choose for the quick support. If you're having some kind of a detailed walkthrough or feature walkthrough, you can choose for a standard support. And if you have complex troubleshooting and full onboarding session for the business verification, meta verification, you can go for a deep dive support. And also we have created the full-fledged documentation where each and every feature I mentioned over here, how to not get banned on WhatsApp, then the automation features, follow-up sequence, multiple things which I'm going to walk through by the way. But everything is end to end. And also we have the developers API, so that if you want to connect any tool out there, it could be your CRM, it could be any other tool, N10, Zapier, Make, you can easily connect it and do all the stuff which you can do manually as well as automated. Also, there is a webhook, incoming webhook and outgoing webhook as well. So now let's understand the first and main feature, which is connect account. So in this platform, you can connect multiple accounts. It could be WhatsApp, Google, Shopify, WooCommerce. And to connect WhatsApp also, there are three ways. I'll click on connect WhatsApp and now we can see we have an embedded onboarding option inside which we have the WhatsApp coexistence as well as the cloud API option. And also if you have created your own meta application and you have your own access key, you can directly use that as well in connect to this platform. And if you are not understanding any sort of features, there will be a button like this. When you click on that, you will get a tutorial, okay, where if you click on the button, you will be brought to an exact guide which will show you how to operate this thing word by word. And also if you don't know, after reading this, we have a support call as well. Now coming to the second feature called as broadcasting. So on the left hand side, we have broadcasting where you can broadcast your single message to as many users as you want. So you can create a campaign where you can select all the context which you have. You can import the context or whatever context message you directly automatically they are added in your CRM, or you can manually enter them as well. Once you have got the context, you can create a template which you want to send to all of the people. Okay, once you send the template, now you have to see the report. So for that, we have a detailed report where you can see how many people you have sent the message, how many got delivered, how many opened the message, and how many have not received the message as well. If the people who have not received the message, they can also see the what kind of error you are getting, so you are not lost anywhere. And now let's see the main feature which most of the people will be using is called as a shared inbox. And now this is the most advanced feature most of the platform don't have. On the left hand side, we have all the contacts. So now you can have a team of people working on a single number. And we also have the application so that you can install the application on your phone and you can see the same chat, whatever is happening through that. And also you can assign this particular chat to whatever team member you have. And they can click on the mind button and they will be seeing only tasks that are assigned to them. Second, they can translate the message. For example, you're getting a message on Gujarati, but a person who is typing, they does not know Gujarati. So they can translate this into the English and they can reply back to in Gujarati. How? Let's say I write, how are you? And I can click on this particular translate button. I can select the language and then I can translate the message. So as we can see, Tame kem cho. So we got the message in Gujarati so that it feels like we are replying to the person in the native language. So chances of converting get increased by a lot. And also, if the person don't know what to reply, we have a rewrite with AI button which understand the context, what message has been done and accordingly write the message. So for example, let's consider there was one teammate who was talking with this person for past 5 days and now he's in holiday. Now another person take over this particular chat. Instead of going through all the chats, he can just click on rewrite with AI. The AI will understand all the context and write the message on his behalf. Also, if they don't want to write a message directly and want to understand the context, so we have this help me to reply. So this particular inbox will understand all the messages has been done and tell you the summary what all things has been done. And also there is an engagement score which will tell you how much engagement has been done with this particular person. Is it good for you or not by the percentage over here. Then we have the bot. You can pause the bot, you can pause AI. Let's say for example there is an AI which is running 24/7. And for this particular contact only you want to pause the AI. So you can pause the AI. So now you must be thinking, what is the difference between bot and AI? So the AI reply is something like this, which is trained on your knowledge base. So for example, hi there, this particular reply is by AI. So you can see the AI over here. The bot reply is something, the deterministic flow which we create. So whenever the person click on this particular button, then this particular message will go. Such kind of things are called as bot. So you can pause both of them accordingly. And you can have custom field as much as you want. So we have a full-fledged CRM where you can have multiple columns as per your thoughts. And also there is one more amazing feature which is called as a message sequence. So let's say you're talking with this particular person and they say that I am not sure. Can you get back to me after a few days? So there are now two ways. Either you can do a manual follow-up or an automated follow-up. So for the manual follow-up, there is a follow-up reminder. You can set up the follow-up reminder as the particular date and time, and you will get a notification on your phone as well as on the desktop over here. Also, if you want to do the automated follow-up, so you can create the message sequence and assign to this particular chat, so that it will automatically send the message on your behalf and take the follow-up as well, like a drip campaign. Let's say drip campaign is something I want to send a message after 1 minute, then after 1 hour, then after 10 hours, everything can be done. Now coming to another features of chatbot. So now we have a full-fledged diagram flow over here where you can create the chatbot however you want. So we can add the delay, you can add the images, video, audio, send the message, send the list message, e-commerce catalogs, then the button, and then you can track as well how many people click on this particular button, and how many subscribers were there, how many were unknowns. You can send the location, file, AI reply. Then you can collect the information from the user. There are two ways to collect the information. First is we are asking the question in the chat only. What is your email address? User will reply with email address, you will store it. What is your phone number? User will reply with the phone number, you will store it. You can store it anywhere. It could be your CRM, it could be a Google Sheet, it could be a HubSpot, it could be any CRM, it could be inside a ChatSync CRM as well. You can collect the information in the form of a WhatsApp flow as well. So that a WhatsApp form get open inside the chat. User can fill the form, collect the information and store it wherever you want. Then you can send the interactive message, template message, CTA URL button, condition, HTTP, and there are so many things in the platform. And now the another feature which I just mentioned inside the shared inbox called as a drip campaign or sequence campaign. So you can assign a sequence to any sort of a subscriber. It could be automatically via API or manually. Let's say for example, we created this sequence which get triggered automatically within 1 minute, then after 5 minutes, then after 15 minutes. And also after 24-hour windows, you can send a template message as well. So this drip campaign is very useful for the businesses who want to do the automated follow-ups. So for example, someone sends you a message and then they ghost you. Now what to do? Now you cannot tell your team member that find out who ghosted me and then send the message. So we have automated method reply over here. You can assign as many sequence as you want. You can send the message after 1 minute that, hey, I hope everything is well and we are still waiting for your response. Then again after some time you can send the message. Then again after some time you can nudge them. Until unless they don't reply you can do this thing. But do not spam it. I am requesting you, otherwise if they block you or report you, your number may be blocked by Meta. This feature is amazing, but it should be used with a precaution. Now the main feature which most of the platform charge you extra for, which is AI. So we have a two way to use the AI. One is the AI assistant and one is the AI agent. Now you might be thinking, what is the difference? So AI assistant is for your team member to help them use this platform in a proper way. AI agent is a customer facing which reply to your customer. So for example, inside the shared inbox, we have this particular rewrite with AI button so that it understands the context and send them a reply. Also on the left hand side, we have this analyze the conversation with AI button. Then we have the AI assistant manager over here. So there are multiple things which is designed for your team member so that they can use it and reply to the user properly in the however format you want. After that, there is an AI agent which is customer facing, which get trained on your knowledge base. So for example, if I click on new campaign, let me create again a new campaign. So inside this, you can see how many ways are there to train your bot. So we have a container FAQ. So you can paste all the content which you have over here, or you can add more and more FAQs over here and content over here. Then we have URL. Just give your website URL or whatever website URL you want to give. our agent will automatically fetch all the information which you want. Then it will create a proper content and FAQ on which it can be trained on. Then we have a file. You can upload whatever file you want. It could be PDF, TXT, Markdown file, whatever file you want, it will get trained on it. Then we have Google Sheet as well. You can connect the Google Sheet to our account, and whatever data are there in your Google Sheet, let's say your product catalog information, pricing information, all the information, it will get trained on that. It will reply to your customer accordingly. And then we have the API as well. Let's say you have your AI living somewhere else, but you have API for that. So you can connect both the API. So our system will get the message, it will send the message to your system, it will get the reply from there, it will reply to our system. So it's not bound to just passing information over here, but you can use your already trained AI agent and connect with our knowledge base. And we are not stopping over here. We have intent detection. So let's say, for example, this particular campaign is just for your support campaign. So all the information which are there inside this are only regarding support information. There will be another campaign for your pricing information. There will be another campaign which will be regarding a feature information. So now whenever a person messages you, first the intent detection will happen. So this particular question or query is regarding what? Is it regarding pricing, support, whatever it is. Accordingly, it will go to that particular knowledge base, get the answer, and then reply to your customer. So that you can create a proper separation, and then accordingly reply will go. Then we have proper WordPress and Shopify automation as well. And also you can connect your own meta catalog over here directly, so that our system knows automatically what all information is there in your catalog, what all products you are selling, so they can reply accordingly. And you can also select the carousel catalog, you can send to the customer. And also we can take the payment inside the system, so that you don't have to rely on any other system out there. And also there is an amazing feature called as appointment inside WhatsApp. So let's say if you run a clinic or salon or consultation and you get too many leads, so you cannot reply to each and every lead, and they all want to do the appointment booking, correct? So instead of telling them that give me your number, give me your time, I will schedule the meeting and send you a link, your bot will take care of everything. Customers see the real-time availability. Just tap the slot, no form, no calls, 24/7, and the one slot cannot be booked twice. It will get sync with your calendar. It could be Google Calendar, cal.com, Calendly, and confirmation is sent instantly on WhatsApp. And automatically reminder are also sent. Let's say before 1 hour, 15 minutes, you can send the automatic reminder. And also if you want to take the payment from the user before booking the slot, you can do that as well. And now the main feature regarding integrations. We have Shopify, WooCommerce, HTTP, Google Sheet, autoresponder. So you can do the marketing through the mail and the SMS marketing. You can do whatever you want. And also we have a full-fledged API and webhook option available. So whatever tool you are using, whatever CRM you are using, it can be directly connected with our platform, and you can operate your WhatsApp 24/7 automatically. So now these are just some of the features which I have mentioned in this particular video, but there are so many features out there which you can explore. You can explore the documentation, but if you also have any sort of doubt, we have a free support call available. You can book a support call. It's a one-on-one. I or my team member will come on the call and solve all your doubts. So I hope we can help you to grow your business using WhatsApp automation. If you have any more doubts, there is a link in the description. You can schedule a call with me and my teammates. We'll help you to solve all the doubts you have. And also there is a link in the description of this particular website. You can have a free 7-day free trial. You can check this platform by yourself. And if you have any doubts, you can book the call. So I hope you like this particular video. If you have any sort of doubt, any questions, just let me know in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.